When people think of booming U.S. real estate markets, the usual suspects come to mind: New York, Miami, or maybe even Austin. But in 2025, the crown has been claimed by an unexpected contender: McKinney, Texas. Once known as a quiet Dallas suburb, McKinney has now been named the #1 real estate market in the United States, beating out dozens of larger, flashier cities. WalletHub's latest rankings put this North Texas city in the national spotlight, and for good reason. Why McKinney? The numbers don't lie. WalletHub evaluated over 300 U.S. cities based on factors like home value growth, economic strength, affordability, and real estate activity. McKinney didn't just perform well, it dominated across multiple categories. Rapid appreciation. Home values in McKinney have consistently outpaced the national average. Affordability edge. While prices have risen, they remain more accessible than many coastal or major urban markets. Job growth. Collin County, where McKinney is located, has become one of the fastest growing job hubs in the country. Population boom. With new residents pouring in from across the U.S., demand for housing continues to soar. The Texas advantage. McKinney's rise isn't just about local charm, it reflects the broader momentum of Texas real estate. The Lone Star State has become a magnet for families, businesses, and investors alike, thanks to no state income tax. For many relocating from high-tax states like California, New York, and Illinois, Texas offers immediate financial relief. Business-friendly climate. Major corporations from Toyota to Liberty Mutual have relocated their headquarters to North Texas in the past decade. This creates steady demand for skilled labor and, by extension, housing, infrastructure, and connectivity. Proximity to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, strong road networks, and expanding public transit make McKinney well-connected while retaining suburban appeal. Lifestyle balance. McKinney has a unique blend of historic charm with its Old Town Square and preserved architecture, and modern amenities like top schools, parks, and cultural attractions. Real estate dynamics in McKinney. McKinney's market tells a story of strong demand colliding with limited supply. Median home price. As of mid-2025, the median home price in McKinney hovers around $470,000, below Dallas, but rising fast. Inventory shortage. Active listings remain tight, with many homes receiving multiple offers within days. New construction. Builders are racing to keep up with demand, but labor and material costs have slowed completions. Rental market. With many families priced out of home ownership, rental demand is surging, pushing rents upward by double digits. Comparing McKinney to other top cities, while McKinney grabbed the top spot, several other Texas cities also ranked high. This points to a broader trend of Texas dominating U.S. real estate growth. Frisco and Plano. Nearby suburbs with similar dynamics: strong schools, tech jobs, and suburban luxury. Austin. Still attractive, though affordability challenges and slower recent growth knocked it out of the top tier. National contrast. Coastal cities like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York continue to struggle with high costs, declining affordability, and outmigration. McKinney's win is symbolic. It's not just competing with other suburbs, but redefining what a top-tier real estate market looks like. The draw for families and millennials. Much of McKinney's success is fueled by younger families and millennials seeking affordable, spacious housing without sacrificing career opportunities. Schools. McKinney Independent School District consistently scores high marks, attracting parents seeking quality education. Community feel. Festivals, farmers markets, and a strong sense of local identity make McKinney feel like more than just a suburb. Safety. Low crime rates bolster its reputation as a family-friendly city. Green spaces. With over 3,000 acres of parkland, McKinney offers a lifestyle balance many urban centers can't. The investor's angle for real estate investors. McKinney represents both stability and upside potential. Strong appreciation. Over the past 5 years, home values have risen more than 60%, with projections still bullish. Rental yields. With rental demand climbing, investors can secure steady income streams. Diversified economy. Unlike markets dependent on a single industry, McKinney benefits from diverse job growth across tech, healthcare, and logistics. Resilience. Even during national housing slowdowns, McKinney has shown remarkable resilience thanks to its population growth and desirability. Challenges on the horizon. No city's growth comes without challenges, and McKinney is no exception. Affordability pressure rising prices are already squeezing some families, creating concerns that McKinney could follow the path of Austin booming but less affordable. Infrastructure strain rapid growth means more traffic, greater demand on utilities, and the need for expanded schools and hospitals. Housing supply. If builders can't keep up with demand, supply shortages could worsen, driving up costs further. Climate risks. As with much of Texas, heat waves and extreme weather raise long-term questions about sustainability and livability. What experts are saying, economists and real estate professionals agree that McKinney is in a sweet spot. Balanced growth. Unlike overheated markets, McKinney still has relative affordability compared to national averages. Long-term demand. With ongoing corporate relocations and population growth, the fundamentals remain strong. National symbol. McKinney reflects the rise of mid-size, family-friendly cities as the new backbone of America's housing market. What it means for the U.S. real estate landscape. McKinney's rise signals a shift in the American dream. Homebuyers are increasingly choosing lifestyle cities, places with good schools, safe streets, job access, and relative affordability over glamorous but unaffordable metros. This shift is likely to continue as remote work flexibility endures and families prioritize space and quality of life over downtown proximity. McKinney isn't just a winner of the moment, it's a blueprint for what sustainable, attractive housing markets can look like in the future. Conclusion: the future is in McKinney, Texas. May not have the skyscrapers of Manhattan or the beachfront of Miami, but it has something more powerful, a balanced formula of affordability, opportunity, and livability. That's why it now stands as the top U.S. real estate market. The question is, can McKinney sustain this growth without losing the qualities that made it so appealing in the first place? What do you think? Would you move to McKinney, or is the Texas boom too hot to handle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear whether you see McKinney as the future of American real estate, or just the next bubble in the making.